Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Monzo to your Lloyds Bank account. First, open the Monzo app and log in to your account. Tap Payments at the bottom of the screen. Choose Pay Someone and then select Bank Transfer. Enter your recipient's name, sort code, and account number. This is where you'll enter your Lloyds account details. Type in the amount you want to send and tap Next. Review the information carefully, then tap Confirm Payment. And that's it! Your money will be transferred from Monzo to Lloyds right away. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.